Hi, myself Ashish Daga. I am a co-founder of Psypher Interactive. It's a game development studio based out of Bangalore. And here we are presenting our new game called Curiosity. It's an educational game. It's an edutainment game for kids where we are trying to teach them about various area of learning. There are total 8 buildings which covers right from art till the health and hygiene part. We have around 32 mini games in it, and we have built this game with the help of teachers. The idea was born when I saw my nephew is so attached with screens. That time I realized that there is a lack of good content which is there in the market. So we took that challenge and created a gamification solution for education, and here we have used couple of techs. We have used Unity as a primary game engine, and here in that we have used language which is C#. Along with this, I would like to close with the statement education in today's time is quite important, and we are taking a creative what we feel like it might explore more.